And we are leading the 11 p.m. bulletin with some breaking news coming in at this hour. India and America have inked the 5,000 crore rupees defense deal. The deal includes 145 M777 ultra-light howitzers, which will be deployed near borders with China. First artillery guns deal since the Bofors scam. So that is the big breaking news. We are breaking and on top of 11 Live. Breaking the Bofors jinx, India and America have inked almost 5,000 crore rupees deal, which will for M777 ultra light howitzers, and which will be mostly deployed near the China border. All right, shifting focus to the biggest story of the day, that is the Nagrota terror attack. Since the news of the martyrdom of 7 soldiers in Nagrota came in, there has been shock across the entire forces community. Stories have been shared about the men we lost, intimate glimpses into their lives that give us a rare glimpse into the men behind those uniforms. An indebted nation salutes them.
नायक चितरंजन देव वर्मा, हवलदार सुखराज सिंह, राइफलमैन आसिन राय, लांस नायक संभाजी राव, ग्रेनेडियर राघवेंद्र सिंह, मेजर गुसावी कुणाल मन्नदिर, मेजर अक्षय गिरीश कुमार. 7 soldiers who laid down their lives yesterday. But they aren't just faceless men in uniform. They were like you and I. Young, in the prime of their life. The oldest among them, Major Gusavi, only 33 years old. Major Akshay Girish, a new father. Fond of clicking selfies like anyone else. This 31-year-old from Bengaluru was the son of an Air Force officer, known to everyone as an always smiling, always cheerful person, but who knew with quiet determination that he wanted to serve his country.
I remember all those events vividly, and it's so tragic. I mean, I'm literally seeing the news today, and this is what it's come to. His brilliant life actually had to be ended like this. But I'm so proud he did it for our country, and he knows he's proud too.
And it's with that same determination when the time came, he didn't think twice before walking into a hail of bullets when the hostage situation was underway. This is just one of many stories, just one of the many memories that the families and friends that these heroes left behind will always live with.
We'll miss Akshay. And bloody, we're so proud of you, man. We won't see you again, but we're proud of you. Thanks, Akshay, for being my friend. And thanks for what you did.
Travel well, soldiers. With Gaurav Sawant in Nagrota, Bureau Report, India Today.